Okay, students, how to download the uh, Java from Oracle.com. So let me go for that. If you not aware, please go for that. Open a browser, and in the browser, please type Java free JDK latest version free download. Sorry, I have to on my net. Okay, so see here. So whenever I search JDK latest version free download, so it gives me the first URL, that is Java SC Development Kit 8. So please click, that is from Oracle.com. So please see here. You can find two tabs: Java SC downloads, Java SC downloads here. So you can click. Otherwise, in the same page, you can have Java SC Development Kit of 8 is there. But so if you want to download the new version, please click on the tab Java SC. You have Java SC 16.0.2. You can download this particular JDK. So whenever you click on JDK download, so it will move through to that particular, it will be navigate to that particular page. Here you can see 64-bit version and 64-bit versions is there for Linux. These all are for Linux. If your operating system is Windows, please download this particular installer file. Installer will be there. Windows x64 installer if your operating system is 64-bit. So please click and install. So it will ask some information. Please fill and click on accept and download. Okay, click on accept as a, please register as a student and download. So it is free open source software. So I already installed in my system. So I will go through my C drive here. In my PC, I will go for my C drive. In C drive, in all programs, I have a Java folder. Please see, this is a Java folder. In this Java folder, I already installed 8, and previously latest I downloaded JDK 15 also. I have 2 versions of Java in my computer. So this is the latest version. JDK means Java Development Kit. So double click it. You can find, whenever you are going for program files Java JDK 15.0.1, you can now download 16.0.1 or something. So under that particular folder, you can find bin folder. So double click and open that particular bin folder. You can find different tools. So you have to search for Java and Java-C first. There are lots of Java tools are available. I already tell that Java doc gives the documentation of Java. Java-C is the Java compiler. Java is the Java interpreter. Java-P is the debugger. Like this, there are lots of tools that will be there. But first and foremost thing, you have to check whether the Java-C and Java is there or not. Unfortunately, any one of the file is missed. Then you have to reinstall the Java. Okay. So, and another important thing here is you have to copy this particular path and make it as an environmental variable to execute the programs anywhere in the computer. So see here, I am going to copy this particular file where I am in C drive. In your program files, Java folder, in program files, Java folder JDK 1.15.0 is my folder name. JDK means Java Development Kit. Bin is the binary folder. So this particular path, please copy. I already created the environment variable. Please see, if you not created, you can create using your computer. Okay, so you can copy this and go for advanced settings of your computer. You can go to the properties and you can click on advanced settings. It is asking for username. Okay, so no problem, I will tell you. You can click on advanced settings. Then what happens? I will open a notepad for you. I will tell you the process here by writing this. First and foremost thing, you have to go for you have to copy the content, the URL. Right click on your computer. Okay, right click on your computer. Computer, I will write here simply. Right click on computer, computer, and you can find the dialog box. One dialog box is appeared in front of you. Go to advanced tab, go to advanced tab, find environment variables, click on it, okay, click on it. Then you have a dialog box will be appeared. Under that, one is for system, another one is for user variables. You can directly go to the system and you already find a path variable. Please provide this particular path in the path, where in path, and click on OK, OK and OK. Okay, click on OK and close all the things, and you can run anywhere the program. Okay, so let me I already created the environmental variable, so that's why I can execute my Java programs anywhere, like D drive or E drive, anywhere I can do the Java programs. So let me create a folder to you. So I create a folder, training folder. In this particular training folder, we will do the Java programs. So how can I know where? So this is not the way I will explain every programs through Eclipse, but I am going to show how to execute a simple hello world program first with a notepad. You already learned in college also, but here we will check whether the Java is working or not, means Java compiler is working or not. First and foremost thing, you have to go for command prompt, CMD, enter CMD, go for command prompt, and then you have to check whether the Java C is working or not. So here the Java C is working. So whenever I type Java C and click on enter, the information is came. So different types of labels, what is the use of different types of label, information was given here. So here, so I will move to the E drive and E drive I created the folder training. Under training you can find Java C, Java C. Okay, so it is running. As well as you can also type Java. Java is also running, so no problem, the programs will be run and compiled in this particular computer. Okay, so first we will understand the features of Java, then I will show you a very first program of hello program. Once again, you people already know, but once again we will do that particular program and understand what is, why we are writing each and everything in the program. We will understand.